All right, good evening, everybody. Welcome to our second logo class. We will be designing the AR logo. We'll be in this logo. We are going to see how to use the erase image, erase image, erase color feature on our Pixel Lab. We are going to see how we can use that effectively. So let's import the the logo for inspiration. Where is the logo this time around? Gallery. The logo should be as my WhatsApp image. As my WhatsApp image. Let's look for that particular logo. We are putting the logo up for inspiration. That is the reason why we are putting the logo here. Logo is not here. Not here. Let's go back. This is WhatsApp image. This is WhatsApp business document. It should be here. Not yet, you. Sorry, I have many things to do this phone. No. Mm, wow, I've used almost 1 minute to look for logo. Okay, let's check this place. WhatsApp business logo should be here. Logo should be here. Okay, 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 okay. The logo is here. Okay, this is the logo. So we'll put it up somewhere. Let it be somewhere. This is what we are creating. This is what we are creating. So it should be here. So the next step is to import the background. This is the background we're using. Square format. Keep it square. Bring our inspiration up. Increase it a little bit. Then lock it. Now, what are we doing next? Let's import everything that we're going to use for this particular design. Let's import these this crest logo, this crest that we're going to use around the AR. Let's go back to my gallery. It's good to import everything you want to use so that it will not be giving you issues later on. Have the issue of going back to find what you want to use and stuff like that. That is exactly what I mean. So let's look for that particular crest circle that we're going to put around the logo. Okay, we're going to use this. Let it be here first. Close it. Let's close it. Okay. Now let's write our text. Let's write our text. Text. You write your letter A first. Letter A. Increase the size of the letter A. You bring it to this place. You give it a font. We're using a particular font for this particular design. We'll be using the Universal Serif font. We'll send that particular font to you. That's what we're going to use to achieve this particular design. This is the font. Now, what you do next is you give it a texture. Give it a texture. Click on your texture icon. Where is it this time around? Okay, this is a texture icon. You click on this, it will take you to your folder. Then this is what we are looking for. Give a texture. We're giving it a texture. Enable the scale. Take the scale to 130. It's good like that. Okay. And what we do next is this. We'll copy this particular text. Copy and edit. You edit it So the arrow letter R, capital letter, you bring it down. Okay, make sure that they are in the same position. They're in the same, okay, position. Go to your layer. Want to remove this from the body. Okay. Now what we'll do, we want to work on this. We want to work on the arrow. How to work on the arrow? This is how we work on it. You click on this icon. You bring in a shape, a square shape. You reduce it. Click OK. Follow me closely. Make sure your own should be more beautiful than my own. Follow me closely. Your own should be beautiful more than my own. If your own is not beautiful more than my own, there will be problem. We want to cut a part of this. Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's merge. Let's see what happens. You merge this and the arrow together. You press on this. It has merged together. The arrow and this particular shape, they are now 5 and 6. But we don't want them to be like that. We want to achieve a special effect on this. Then we will now click on this erase color. It has erase color. Is this what we want? Yes, this is what we want. Perfect. This is what we want. This is what we want. A as no. Okay, let's go back. You still need to make some adjustment. Undo, 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 undo. Sorry, let me off my data so that messages will not be coming in. Okay, you still undo, undo. Sorry, sorry. You still have to undo again. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, I think it's okay like this. You merge again. Let's look if we've gotten what we want. You merge. Then you go to your erase color. Good. I think we've gotten what we want. Yes, we've gotten what we want. Look at the inspiration. It's the same thing with this. Now the next step is we make sure that these two they are in line. They're in line. Make sure that they're in line. Position them very well. I think they're together. They're together. Now what we do is we still carry this one closer to it a little. Okay. Okay. So now we merge them together. Let's make them one. Let's make them one. Okay. They are together. They are together. They are now husband and wife. Place it at the middle. Let it be at the middle. Increase it a little bit. Now what we do now is we bring in our first image. You go to this place. You open it. You erase the background. You can use erase color for this as well. It will erase the color for you automatically speaking. So let's work on this. We're giving this particular thing a texture as well. The same texture as this. So you click on your texture icon. You go to your menu. This is the texture we are giving it. You click on it. Wow. We go back. This is not what we want. This is not what we want. Let's give it a color. Let's give it a color. Give it a color. Use our color picker. Pick color from here. Give it this color. Give it this color. This is what we want. This is what we want. Okay. Place it. Okay. Now what do we do next? Merge them together. Merge them together. Let them be. They should be one. They're together. Let them be one. Yes. We're giving it a texture. The same texture. This is it. I hope you saw what I did. I hope you saw what I did. After giving it a color, using a color picker, I still go back. After merging them together, I still go back to give it a texture to make sure that both of them have the same texture. Okay, let's leave it as 115. We go back, reduce it a little bit. Make sure that it is at the middle. It's at the middle. Now we're going to give this a 3D effect. Go to your 3D shape. You click on your 3D shape. Enable it. Wow, wow, wow. Leave it at perspective. Reduce the depth. Put it at do the depth at 6. Okay. Okay, let's leave it at 4. Darken it. Darken it. Do we need to rotate this? Okay. Let's leave it at 0. The Y rotate. Let's rotate the X. The Y rotate a little bit. Look at the shape of the background. That is what we're going to follow. Okay. Okay. This is okay like this. Your light angle. Let's leave it at 274. Intensity. Shadow. Spectacular hardness. Make sure you increase it. Wow, we're getting somewhere. Then you click OK. Then after that, you go and emboss your work. Click on embossment. Enable your embossment. Embossment makes your work look real. Okay. Let's put our embossment at 201. Increase the intensity, or let's reduce it a little bit. No, let's increase it. Spectacular hardness, increase it. The bevel, reduce it. Leave it like this. Okay. Okay. Let's leave it at 163. Leave it at this. Okay. 3D, rotate. Let's rotate it a little bit. Let's leave it like this. Make sure that it is at the middle. Good, it is at the middle. Wow. This is this is it. This is it. The light effect on the first one is too much. But with this, We are okay with this. We're okay with this. Positioning should be at the middle. Delete this, we don't need this anymore. So this is it. You can decide to increase it a little bit. Increase it a little bit. Let it be at the middle. Then you save your work. Save as project. You can save as AR. Then you can also save as image. Save to gallery. So this is it. This is it. So your own should be more beautiful than mine. Nothing more, nothing less. Thank you so much. We'll see you at part 3 of our logo class.